Gemma Turner and I'm a disabled content creator, and I also work in higher education as well. I like to just show the other side of being disabled. You know, you get a lot of misconceptions about disability and people suffering and not having a good time. And I think ever since I was a teenager, I kind of realised that that's what people thought of me. I just want to show a different side, that I have a laugh, I've got a sense of humour, I like to create my own life, just like anyone else would.
The Motability scheme helps people enjoy more independence by providing a wide range of high-quality adapted cars, providing affordable, reliable vehicles that are safe and comfortable to drive for drivers of all backgrounds. There's many benefits to the Motability scheme here at People's Ford. Some of the benefits include a brand new car every 3 years, insurance for 3 drivers, and full breakdown cover.
Driving is such a normal, standard activity that I have any other right to be able to do than anyone else. I had a lot of goals that I wanted to do, so once I graduated uni, I had a job, then I was like, right, I'm ready now to drive. I've just loved it straight away. I knew I definitely want to pursue it.
The Motability scheme can act like a lifeline to our customers. It provides them with the opportunity to have their independence and their freedom.
Being able to have full control, you know, I can decide when I want to go out, you know, for how long. I've got the safety net of literally it's made for me. It's just life-changing. I think driving will open so many doors.
By using the Motability scheme, you can get a car that's perfectly adapted to suit you and your needs. Most adaptations are free, which includes storage, driving and access modifications.
My reach isn't very far, so I have to have everything sort of really close to me. And I was impressed at how close it can be. It felt right. Because I knew it was made for me, it did give me a lot more confidence to think, well, there's nothing here that I can't do.
Here at People's Ford, we really take the time to understand our customers. We really want to understand what their requirements are and what they use their car for on a day-to-day basis. We sit with them from the start to the end of the process to really ensure that they get a vehicle that they're 100% confident with.
Obviously driving can feel like a daunting thing, but actually they make it so easy to find out what your options are. And yeah, you just feel supported throughout the process. I love being on an open stretch road and just like, you know, windows down, feeling the breeze. It's something that I never thought I would do. I still have those moments where I'm like, wow, I'm actually driving and it's going well and it's good.